and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be doing another Halloween with me. I've been posting a lot of Disney lately. I don't know. I've just been having a lot of fun. And so basically I'm going to share with you guys just like a weekend tidy up, get the house back in order before the week begins again, the work week. I love it that I can, when I walk into every room, it is tidied, it is picked up, and it looks presentable. So that is what we are going to be doing today. I have on this nice cozy sweater from Giant Tiger. We got a sports bra on from H&M or Maurice's. I can't remember. But a super comfy sports bra. Also, sorry if I'm a little bit out of breath. I am almost 18 weeks when you see this. I will be 18 weeks, maybe even 19 weeks pregnant. And then I just have on, I don't even know if you can see them, but I have on some pajama shorts from Joe Fresh. You'll probably see them throughout the video, but super, super comfy. Just wanted to be cozy, so do what works for you. Whew. Sorry, I just ran downstairs to go get a new battery for my camera. I was just saying, do what makes you feel the most comfortable, what you feel like is going to make you the most productive. So, I don't know. It's also Sunday when I'm filming this, which is also like my big, long shower routine. I was just looking to see those pictures, but I don't know. I didn't know if they took the stroller or the car, so I was just curious. But, basically, Sundays are like the day where I just like take the shower of my life. It's like the one thing I look forward to. And I just really take my time. I wash my hair, you know, just do everything that makes me feel good, because during the week it is just not the same when you're solo parenting and taking a shower. So it's just nice to be like, okay, Richard has Elizabeth and I can just take a nice shower. So that means I don't want to put on a pair of jeans. I don't want to put on anything tight. I just want something loose, baggy, comfortable, and so that's what I'm doing. Alrighty, it is getting long, this intro, and I'm still trying to catch my breath. So we're going to stop talking now, and we are going to tidy this entire house. I don't know how much time I have, because we do need to order dinner. It is about 20 to 4, but I'm going to do what I can. So if you love cleaning videos, definitely hit the subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is @It'sAshleyElizabethXO. And let's get started.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Times another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of
me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
Alrighty, so that is it for my cleaning video. Everything is done now. Richard and Elizabeth are home from the park, so it was perfect timing. He's just gonna go pick up dinner, and yeah, it's just nice to know that everything is done. All the rooms are caught up, our outfits are picked out for tomorrow, so that's something too that always saves us time in the morning. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.